In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict project with Lovable. Restricting a project is a simple way to control who can view and work on it, which is especially useful for sensitive initiatives or early stage ideas. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so only the right people have access. Start by opening the Lovable dashboard and signing in to the correct workspace. If you're part of multiple teams, double check the workspace switcher so you're looking at the right set of projects. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation hub, and it's where you'll find your full project list. Click All Projects to see everything available to you. You can scroll through the list or use the search and filters if you have a lot of items. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the exact project you want to restrict, not a similarly named one. When you found it, hover over the project row and look for the three dots, sometimes called the More or Overflow menu. Click those three dots to open the quick actions for that project, then select Settings. This takes you directly to the project's configuration area. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Project Visibility. It's typically on the Main Project tab and controls who can see the project in your workspace. Next to Project Visibility, you'll see a drop-down that shows the current status, such as Public or Private. Click that drop-down to reveal the available visibility options. From the list, choose Restricted. This setting is designed to lock down the project so only people with the appropriate access can view or contribute. It's ideal when you need tighter control than a broadly visible project offers. After selecting Restricted, give the page a quick glance to make sure the status updates. Many dashboards apply the change immediately, and you'll usually see the new visibility reflected right away. If you don't see the project visibility section or the restricted option, you may not have the required permissions. In that case, contact a project admin or a workspace owner to adjust your access or make the change on your behalf. Also, remember that restricting visibility limits discovery, so ensure any essential collaborators already have invitations or the right roles assigned. That's it. You navigated to All Projects, opened the project's three-dot menu, went into Settings, and switched project visibility to Restricted. This small change can make a big difference in keeping your work secure and focused. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Lovable.